Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable silent mode in the Instagram app. Be sure to put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel. Let's get down to our topic. So, in order to disable silent mode in Instagram, of course we go into Instagram itself. After which we go to our profile. At the top, we click on the three bars to go to the menu. Then we choose Settings and Privacy. And already here we choose Notifications. We click on Notifications. And here we have the item Silent Mode. We select it. As you can see, I have silent mode enabled at the moment. If you also have it enabled, first of all, what can you do with it? You can customize it. You can customize the time at which it will be active. The hours, the minutes, the time at which this silent mode will end. And you can also customize the days that it's active, either daily or, for example, only on weekdays. If you have this mode enabled and you don't want the mode to be active, then you just need to toggle the button. And then you just need to confirm the action. And as you can see, it's now disabled. If you want to reactivate it, you'll just have to go into the same settings and toggle that button and reset the times and days that you want the silent mode to be active. That's the simple way you'll be able to turn off silent mode on your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments, also put your likes, and see you soon.